Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Styling. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Bobcoin. I will share all the details in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video, and if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So this project is basically the community takeover project, and it is 100% community driven. No developer in this project, etc. You can see it here. Its name is Book of Billionaires Community Takeover. So I will share with you about the Book of Billionaires, and with you can get maximum profit in it, and you can make money through it too. So if you want your money to be double or to be triple, or if you want to earn 200x, you can be here, and it is the Bob coin. You can go and invest in it, as it is listed on basically CMC and also on the CoinGecko. I will share that with you too. Book of Billionaires dollar Bob is given here. Only future billionaires will scroll down. Are you one of them? Yes, you will be one of them, so you have to scroll it and get more about them too. So elevate your status. It's a time for wealth, so you have to elevate your status so that you can make money. For elevating, you have to go and go in this project, go and do your own research, and after that you can go on CoinMarketCap and also on CoinGecko, so you can get to know about it too, as its prices at that time 0.126. as you can see it here, their price is at that time low, but it will increase further. You can go and buy it from Gecko terminal. You can have to buy it if you want to make your money double. You may have to make your account on it, and after that you can swap it also on the Radium. I will open it too. You can buy it, and it's the only 99 million max supply. It is the only one who is giving that, and you can easily be able to convert it. You have to connect your wallet. You can buy it with Solana or any other one if you want it through it, and you can go and invest in it and make money through it. So I will go back, and you can see here it's a CoinMarketCap. You can get to know about it. I will give this link in that too. It is already listed on CoinGecko and also on CoinMarketCap. Already it is listed. It is the strong community working behind basically this project. This project have a best and strongest community here. So you can see missed out on Dollar Boomi. Buckle up, because Dollar Bob is the VIP pass to the world where only the rich dare to meme. So if you missed a project which is Dollar Boomi, don't be hesitate, don't be worried. You have to go and invest in Dollar Bob so that you can be a millionaire and you can be a rich dare to the meme. So this is not for the faint of wallet. They are basically here to laugh, to dream big, and say no thanks to brokers. So here you can see they have the contract address is given, which you have to copy it, and after that you can go to basically swap Radium. You can swap it. You can use it on Gecko terminal and also on the CoinMarketCap. You can copy this address and add it into your wallets. The elite club of memes. So they have the elite club for the memes one. Dollar Bob is not just a token, it's your entry into the millionaires meme club. Imagine the most exclusive party, but instead of champion, you will be the pumping golden meme. So they where Dodge wears a crown and Pepe is the king of the Wall Street. It's luxurious, ludicrous, and it's where the rich play. So you can see it here. They have the strong community. Bitmart exchange listing soon. They are going to list on the Bitmart. They have the listing coming after Bitmart, which will be I will show you on the Twitter, and they are creating basically listing pool on MEXC. So you can see it here. They have different feature. I share with you their feature. So you can see feature for the financial ambitious. So if you want to get the financial freedom, must go and work on it. They have the mint rich memes. Mint rich memes, only the wealthiest looking meme make the cut. So it is that one of them. You can see they have the brokies. So they have no brokies allowed tokenomics. So they have given about the total supply, which is $100 million Bob. Bob. So you can see it here because they are the exclusivity is the key. So they have liquidity pool which is 100% of the supply, and you can see mint and freeze. So they have set you have to set it and forget it. The wealth is in the mean. So they have dollar Bob utilities which you can see in the ecosystem. The holders can use these tokens to participate in the project governance, voting, obtaining rewards, and also for the activities. You can earn rewards by support user staking in the future too. You can see it here. They have also NFTs. You can use that too. You can use their token. You can connect with the elite which have here in their Twitter and also on the Telegram. You can be a part of the elite community here, and you can go and see it on the coin market cap and also on the coin Gecko terminal. You can buy it, you can swap it here. So further I will go here. You can see they have the Telegram. You must go and join them on the Telegram so that you can basically be a part of their community. And they are still early to get into the project. Their goal is to be next top Solana meme coin. They will reach 1 billion market cap, 100x GAM. So must go and follow them on the Twitter and Telegram. I will give these links in my video description, and you can be able to go and work on it. They have the Twitter here, so must go and join them on the Twitter Book of Billionaires. And they are CTO. They have the FAQs, dollar Bob community takeover they are giving here. So I will share with you about. They have the CMC listing going on. It is the coming soon. It will also going to the Bitmart for their basically listing. They are going. You can see they are still so early. Dollar Bob gonna surprise all of us. Book of Billionaire absolutely strong. So there are different pictures are given. You must go and see them. They are going for the listing soon, and you can see it is given here about them. They are just another given the movement. So here there is a very good project. You can easily be able to make your money and double your money on this. Must go and invest in it and do your own research too. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.